SCP-045. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-045 is to be kept affixated on the examination platform in a hemispherical chamber measuring 5 meters in radius at Oceanographic Research Station 12, located at redacted positions. Seafloor of the Pacific Ocean. Chamber is to be kept filled with gaseous neon at equilibrium pressure with the surrounding environment. Chamber is separated from habitable portions of the station by 5 meters of local sewer water, salt water, sea water, and all interactions with SCP-045 are to be performed via telepresence or robotic means. The biddings that attach SCP-045 is to be platform are fitted quick release latches and will be released when necessary to prevent the containment breach. Given seismic activity associated with SCP-045, if containment chamber is damaged or breached by seismological activity, SCP-045 should be recovered by remotely controlled drone vehicles and kept at least 10 meters from the human-inhibited spaces until such time as repairs can be completed in the optimal containment chamber. Description: SCP-045 is to be an icosahedron composed of ice, 12 heavily isolated from planar fractures in a regular complex pattern. SCP-045 is an average radius of 1.7 meters and density of 2.6 grams centimeters cubed, which is approximately twice the non-anomalous ice-12. SCP-045 remains in a stable state at temperatures ranging from 0.074 to 500 Kelvin. Approximately negative 273 Celsius to 227 Celsius. And pressures ranging from 0.4 pascals to 3 gigapascals, approximately 3.95 microatmospheres to 29,600 atmospheres. Although it is possible to melt or evaporate SCP-045 at temperatures, pressures outside of these ranges, the H2O involved in the attracts to itself by unknown means will remain within very close proximity unless forcibly separated. The water will refreeze as soon as conditions turn to the positions inside of SCP-045's stable range, and any sub-portions kept separate prior to freezing or freezing to smaller isodecahedrons, identical to form isohedrons, identical to form proportions to the total amount of SCP-045. Based on available evidence, and currently believe that SCP-045 is a three-dimensional projection of the hypersahedron. Research is ongoing to determine how SCP-045 is able to maintain a stable lower dimensional projection. A regular polyhedron that exists in 4 spatial dimensions and has 600 regular tetrahedron facets. Research is ongoing to determine how SCP-045 is able to maintain a stable lower dimensional projection, whether this can be adapted and used in interacting with other dimensional anomalous SCP items. At unpredictable intervals ranging from 2 weeks to 3 months, SCP-045 will spontaneously rotate around multiple axes simultaneously for a period no longer than 73 seconds. During this period, a series of small seismic events, less than 2.5 on the Richter scale, will occur in the immediate area of SCP-045. If SCP-045 is prevented from rotating, the seismic events increase to a strength logarithmically to a maximum of 5.3 on the Richter scale. Following the end of the rotation period, the radius of SCP-045's effect will temporarily double at the same amount of time that it is rotated. When gaseous nitrogen or argon come with 3.7 meters of the portion of SCP-045, they are replaced by different compounds. Nitrogen second is replaced by liquid water at a conversion rate of 1 molecule to nitrogen second to 1.98 molecules hydrogen to oxygen, water. And argon is replaced by crystallization table salt at the conversion rate of 100 molecules argon to 4.26 molecules table salt. SCP-045 was discovered in 1972 from the Foundation submarine scouting the Pacific abyssal plain of suitable locations for undersea bases was diverted to investigate the epicenter of the series of unexpected localized strong tremors. SCP-045 is found lodged in the crevice, which had apparently prevented it from rotating. When removed from the crevice, it was brought towards the vessel for further study, and then upon coming within range of the interior atmosphere, exhibited its anomalous effect. This resulted in a catastrophic breach, interior containment protocols, and loss of 12 crew members prior to SCP-045 being released, the submarine moving out of range. Addendum. Following several years of testing, it was accidentally discovered that SCP-045 also converts hydrogen gas to a random mixture of simple amino acids at a rate of 1 molecule hydrogen 2 to 0.04 molecule amino acids. However, this conversion only occurs when the gas is diffused in a saline water, which is produced by SCP-045. Analysis of the seafloor surrounding the location where SCP-045 was discovered was revealed a large community of microfauna, and the microflora that is approximately 3 times as diverse as one would expect given the geography and location. All have biochemistry within the amino acids produced by SCP-045 are statistically abundant as compared to the microbiotic with similar geological regions. Additionally, all thrive when immersed in pure salt water devoid of other organic materials. Footnotes. Metastyrofoam water ice is typically reformed only within a narrow range and very high pressures and temperatures. A regular polyhedron that exists in 4 spatial dimensions and has 600 regular tetrahedron faucets. Nitrogen composes approximately 7% of the Earth's atmosphere by volume. Argon composes approximately 0.93% of the Earth's atmosphere by volume.